Pets don't really care where they live. Their owner is their home. I've been a clinical veterinarian for 20+ years, but in more recent years, I've been helping pets and pet owners on the streets. Before I became the street vet, I was working at a shelter where euthanasia was not uncommon. You don't get into this profession to euthanize animals, you get into it to save them. Every day, I kept noticing the same man outside where I'd stop for gas or coffee. I'd usually ignore him until one day I decided to stop because I noticed a rash on his dog, and it was a flea issue. I said I'd be back the next day with a treatment. I returned, we treated the dog, and then a week later, I saw the same dog. The hair was coming back, he was wagging his tail. The owner was happy, the dog was happy, and he looked up at me with tears in his eyes and said, "Thank you." That was the kickoff moment, the inspiration that started all this journey. Since I began caring for in-house pets, I've met so many amazing people, heard incredible stories, and have been so moved by the bond that comes with being together every minute of every day. One of the most inspiring people I've ever met on the streets was a young lady who had 3 cute little Chihuahua mixed puppies. This lady had just lost her clothing store in a fire and had been living on this corner on an LA street for nearly 6 months. I examined the pups and I vaccinated them. Despite her troubles, this woman is one of the most positive people I've ever met. In this past year, I met the owner of a cat and her 6 newborn kittens. They were small enough to be cradled in the palm of my hand. I examined them and the mother. We ended up spaying the mother and adopting all 6 kittens into new homes, and they're doing well and thriving today. And they're passing on the hope and the love that we found right there in that moment. These moments instilled in me a belief in these 4 words: don't judge, just help. I'm Dr. Kwane Stewart, and I'm here to help. How about you?